I'm Doug Miller from High on Wall Street with this week's Cannabis Stock Report for Cannabis Coast to Coast News. A sharp sell-off rattled Wall Street this week as the stock market suffered its single worst day sell-off in over a year. The Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 all plunged, triggered by fears of inflation, rising interest rates, and of course tariffs. But one sector that could feel the pain even worse is cannabis. Already battling legal hurdles, banking restrictions, and razor thin margins, the cannabis companies now face increased investor pullback. Popular stocks like Tilray, Curaleaf, and Canopy Growth all tumbled big this week. With capital drying up, expansion plans for cannabis companies may slow dramatically. For the cannabis industry, which has long relied on optimism and projected growth, this market dip could stall momentum and shake out the weaker players. If this downturn continues, cannabis companies will need to cut costs, tighten operations, and brace for a rough ride. For now, our favorite green is red. And that's this week's Cannabis Stock Report. Reporting for Cannabis Coast to Coast News, I'm Doug Miller.